Kyle, how do you feel about the 4th of July?
This is my favorite firework. It's called finger blasting.
This is my favorite firework. It's called My Uncle Jerry Has a Cherry Tomato Allergy.
I call this one George Washington's Wet Dream.
This is my favorite firework. It's called Barack Obama's 3rd term, Revenge of the Libs.
I call this one Fart.
This is my favorite firework. It's called Lyndon B. Johnson Had an Affair with My Wife in 1963.
What is with you and the president? I call this one Inflatable 4th of July T-Rex.
This one's called Fart 2. Turns out it's poo. Yeah, that is poo.
This one's called Gay Son or Thought Daughter.
This one's called Bird Funeral.
This one I call P. Diddy's Lawyers.
This one's my favorite. It's called America's in a Really Scary Place Right Now, and I'm afraid of my future and the future of this country's.
Called Little Monster, which is a totally original idea and not.
This one's called Time's Up, Wise Up, Eliza.
My name was really good because it's like little.
This one's called Firework. How's it going to provide for its family?
This one I call Derrick Rose because it's expected to be great, and it will be great if it doesn't get injured. This one I call Satan's Taint. Hold on, I'm thinking.
This one's called Firework? Yeah, I sure hope it does. Oh yeah, Firework. This one's called Lewis Hamilton's gonna win the 2025 British Grand Prix. This one's called Conan O'Brien's Confession.
This one's called Hingle McDingleberry. Shimmers. This one I call 6 or 7 shots.
This one's called Put It in Reverse, Tear! Back it up! Oh my lord! On. This one's called Unregistered Firearm.
I call this one Orange Julius Tater Tot.
This one's called Bald Eagle Eating a McChicken.
Born to Goon, the sequel.